Welcome to Circ and Drone LDC class. Here we are discussing about some commercial objective questions which is necessary for commercial cum ticket clerks. Okay, we start the class. The dash ticket is not valid for journey. Retiree room ticket is not valid for journey. Rest BPT blank paper ticket, circular journey ticket, Indian Rail pass ticket, 3 are journey tickets, but retiree room tickets is not a journey ticket. Okay. Bed rolls are supplied on payment of ₹25 in Garib Rath Express. SC/ST students are granted 75% of concession on normal rates. Free allowances of first class passage 70 kg. Luggage ticket is prepared in 3 files. Public complaints are dealt at divisional level by ADRM, Additional Divisional Railway Manager. Free allowances of luggage for first and second class season ticket is 15 kg and 10 kg respectively. Clock room charges per article for first 24 hours or part thereof ₹15. Free allowances of luggage permitted to be carried in SL means sleeper class is 40 kg. Season tickets for general public are given up to a distance of 150 kilometers. Head of the public complaints at zonal level is AGM, Additional General Manager. Railway marking consists of from and to station, PWB, parcel way bill number of packages, route. All are these marked on the railway markings. When a train is running late by more than 3 hours, full amount is refunded on cancellation of reserved tickets across the counter. TC should remit cash at booking office. TC means ticket collector. Should remit cash at booking office. Luggage should be presented for booking at least 30 minutes before scheduled departure of the train. Luggage should be presented for booking at least 30 minutes before scheduled departure of the train. Children aged 5 years and above and below 12 years of age are charged half of the adult fare subject to minimum fare. Retiree room at stations are initially allotted for a period of 24 hours. If a train is cancelled, full amount can be refunded on reserved ticket up to 3 days. Children under 5 years of age are to be carried free in all classes. Cost of platform ticket is ₹10. The normal sleeping timing in a reserved coaches are from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. A person detected without ticket in break 1 is charged first class fare plus penalty. Full form of POETS is Passenger Operated Inquiry Terminal. Full form of POET is Passenger Operated Inquiry Terminal. Clerkage charges collected on unused unreserved second class ticket if cancelled up to 3 hours. The actual departure of the train is ₹30. Unused wait list or RAC. RAC means reservation against cancellation tickets if not confirmed after the final preparation of the chart. Only clerkage charges will be deducted when cancelled. Rate of wharfage on bicycle is ₹10 per hour. Season tickets can be renewed 10 days in advance of the date of expiry. What if the full form of RAC stands for? I already told RAC means reservation against cancellation. In this you have got a half seat nearby window. Half seat means window seat, 2 persons will be used at seats. That is called reservation against cancellations. CRIS stands for CRIS stands for Center for Railway Information System. In case if fare is not refunded at the station, the passenger should be issued with ticket deposit receipt, TDR. TDR means ticket deposit receipt. Functions of commercial department are sale of transport, creation and development of traffic, maintaining public relations. It means all the options which has been given here are related to the function of commercial department. So here answer will be all the above. NTES NETS stands for National Train Inquiry System. PWB stands for Parcel Way Bill. PCEV stands for Percentage Charges of Excess Value. Cash bag of a station is sent to cash office daily through cash safe kept in guard's brake. Maximum number of brake journey permitted on single journey ticket is 2 times. On expiry of free time for removal of parcel, wharfage charges will be collected at the time of delivery of parcel. What is wharfage charges? When we will discuss in goods coming video, I will teach you what is wharfage charges, what is demurrage charges. Just you remember here, on expiry of free time for removal of parcel, wharfage charges will be collected at the time of delivery of parcels. Okay. What is the full form of CVO? Chief Vigilance Officer. IRCTC stands for Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Another, HOER stands for Hours of Employment and Period of Rest Rules. IVRS stands for Interactive Voice Response System. ICCRP stands for Identity Card cum Railway Pass. Which of the following railway stations has the world's longest railway platform in India? Gorakhpur. Gorakhpur has the longest railway platform in the India, which is the world longest railway platform. What is the free allowances for second AC class ticket is 50 kg. What is the free allowances for sleeper class ticket is 40 kg. What is the free allowances for second class ticket is 35 kg. What is the free allowances for the first class privilege pass is 70 kg. What is the free allowances for second A pass is 50 kg. What is the marginal allowance for sleeper class ticket is 10 kg. What is marginal allowances? When we read in coaching concept, coaching theory, then we will teach you what is marginal allowance and how can we calculate and how can we put the fine. Okay. What is the free allowances for second class season ticket is 10. What is the color of the second A pass? Yellow. Second A pass color is yellow. What is the color of first class pass? Green. What is the weight charged for booking a dog in first class or first AC? 60 kg. What is the minimum penalty to charge for a person traveling without ticket? Minimum penalty for a person traveling without ticket is rupees 250. If a person found traveling with transfer of reserved ticket, under which section he can be punished? Section 142 of Railways Act 1989. When was the first train in India run? 14th April 1853. Where is the headquarters of Southern Railway? Chennai is the headquarters of Southern Railway. Maximum how many members can be included in first class privilege pass? Maximum 5 members. Break journey period is 2 days exclusive the day of arrived and day of departure. What is the element of concession for male senior citizen? 40%. What is the element of concession for female senior citizen? 50%. How many railway zones are there in Indian Railways? 18. What is called here? Actually mention old this one, so we have to know there in present there are 18 zones in Indian Railways. Okay. What is called as MEA in railways? Minimum essential amenities. A male railway servant may be granted paternity leave having serving children 2. Okay, maximum 2 children you can get paternity leave. How many days? LAP can be credited to to an employee in a year? 20 days. Maximum days of leave on average pay that can be accumulated is 300. The minimum age for availing concession is 58 years in case of women senior citizens. The period of advance reservation ARP means advance reservation is 120 days exclusive of the day of departure of the train. Up to 4% number of passengers can be booked on one Tatkal requisition form. Okay. The time for sleeping in reserved coaches during night time is between 9 PM to 6 AM. Current reservation is available up to half an hour before the scheduled departure of the train. At what time Tatkal booking start for second AC? 10 AM. At what time Tatkal booking start for second class sleeper non-AC? 11 AM. Tatkal ticket shall be issued on production of the following proof of identity: passport, PAN card, driving license. Here all of these are valid identity proof. Normal season tickets are issued for periods monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly. All of the above is your answer. PGRM stands for Public Grievance Redressal Machinery. Reservation on season ticket are not permitted. Reservation on season ticket are not permitted. Break journey rules are not applicable to season ticket holders, railway pass holders, in-rail pass ticket holders. All of these break journey rules are not applicable to these all the season ticket holders, railway pass holders and in-rail pass holders. For registering grievances, complaint registers are available at railway stations, reservation office, booking office, pantry cars and in trains. All of these is your answer. Where is the railway museum located? Answer is your New Delhi. What is the current DA percent which was freezed by government as existing on 1/1/2020? This time 17%. What is the category of Chennai Central? Just to give the answer. Which is the shortest station name in Indian Railways? IB. Which is the shortest station name in Indian Railways? IB. Diesel locomotive works is situated at Varanasi. Which train in India has the longest route length? Vivek Express. A station where the rail lines end is called terminal station. A station where the rail line end is called terminal station. What is called as MEA in railways? Maximum essential amenities. On a computer ticket, PNR stands for passenger name record. How many digits are in a PNR? Just to give the answer. Exchange of berths in coach between passenger is permitted with the knowledge of TTE. Without giving the information to TTE, you cannot exchange your berths. Which of the following leave may be granted to a railway servant volunteered to donate blood in government or railway hospitals for railway employees? A special casual leave, SCL. DTC book is a complete record of coaching earnings. DTC means daily transaction cash. This is a book which is a coaching earnings book. Luggage is booked on the strength of valid what? Journey tickets and privilege pass. Journey tickets and privilege pass we can book the luggage. Platform ticket, season ticket is not valid. Okay. What kind of tickets are issued in unified booking counters? Unreserved ticket, reserved tickets, both are used in IUTS system. Okay. Who is the head of commercial department at zonal level? PCCM, Principal Chief Commercial Manager. Who is the head of commercial department at zonal level? PCCM, Principal Chief Commercial Manager. Which of the following are junction stations over Chennai Division? Chennai Central, Chennai Egmore, Tambaram, Chengalpattu. These are the stations, these are the junctions, and the rest you will search. Okay. How many divisions are there in Southern Railway? There are 6 divisions in Southern Railway. Give the name. Chennai Division. Okay, another Trichy Division. Third one Madurai Division. Fourth one Salem Division. Fifth one Palghat Division. Sixth one Trivandrum Division. Okay. What is the name of present DRM of Chennai Division? What is the name of present DRM of Chennai Division? P. Mahesh. Who is the present GM of Southern Railway? John Thomas. Who is the AGM of Southern Railway? BG Malaya, Additional General Manager. Okay, just to remember the present, who is DRM, who is Senior DCM, okay, who is Senior DOM. This is very necessary for objective point of view in your departmental exam, because generally all the questions are related to your departmental exams for knowing the activity and your information regarding the your jobs. Which of the following is complete AC train? Rajdhani Express, Shatabdi Express, Humsafar Express, all of these are AC train. Which of the following is not a passenger amenity? Water pedestal, sitting on platform, waiting hall, these are passenger amenities. It means passenger can using all the things. But toilet in ASM office, assistant station master, this is not for passenger amenities. Okay, so here answer is your toilet in ASM office. So friends, here we are discussing some objectives regarding commercial departments, which is very necessary for your coming exam, CCTC, Commercial Cum Ticket Clerk. I hope you will be know and you will be remember these objectives. And in coming videos, I will try to teach you the coaching notes, coaching theories and good theories. If you remember, if you knows the coaching theories and good theories, objective will definitely be solved in easy way. Okay, so thank you.